Hi, welcome to Homemade Hobbies. This is a UK-based crochet tutorial on a single crochet. In the US, this would be called a double crochet. So I've got a foundation chain ready to go. And our first job is to identify the second chain from the hook. So we don't count the chain on the hook. So this would be our first chain. And this would be our second, and that's where we're going to put our crochet hook. So for a single crochet, go in, draw up the working yarn and pull through. I now have 2 hooks on the loop. Draw up the working yarn and pull through both stitches on the hook, and that is your first single crochet. You go in, draw up that working yarn and pull through, 2 stitches on the hook, draw up that working yarn and pull through. And that's 2 single crochets. Go in, draw up that working yarn and pull through, 2 stitches on the hook, pull through, and that would be your single crochet. Go in, pick up that working yarn and pull through, and you would work all the way down to the last stitch in your yarn, in your foundation chain. Now for the next row, you chain 1, and that brings you up to the right height. You turn your work, so you work again in that direction. And you go into the first stitch. And this time you've got 2. You've got the front part of the stitch and the back part of the stitch. So you put your hook under both stitches. See if I can. In under both. So you've got 2 pieces of yarn, but that's classed as 1 stitch. Pull through, 2 pieces on the hook, pull 2. So you've got the front and the back of the stitch on your hook. Yarn over, pull through. Now you've got 2 pieces of yarn on the hook, yarn over and pull through. Go into the full stitch, make sure you've got the 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. As I say, that's called a single crochet in UK terms, but on your if you've got any US patterns, that would be called a double crochet. Hope that helps.